Hi everybody, welcome to Aga Math. This is Rakesh. Today we are going to learn about complement of a set. Already we have learned about the basic operations of a set. It is like A union B and A intersection B, like our A minus B, about the difference of a sets, union of a sets and intersection of a sets. Now we are going to learn about the complement of a set. So what is complement of a set? Let us see now. And how it is denoted, right? So for example, complement of set A, if they ask what is a complement of set A means, it is denoted like this. So this is a complement of set A. Denotion, this is what, how do we denote? It means what? Complement of A you have to find. Complement of set B means it is represented like this. Complement of set C means it is represented like this. So this is what, how do we denote the complement of set A or complement of set B or complement of set C. Then what operation we have to do for the complement of a set, right? So complement of A, for example, let us see here, complement of A is denoted like this, right? That is, right? Now what is a complement of A is nothing that it is mu minus A. So already in the difference of sets we have learned, in the previous videos we have learned about the difference of sets. So complement of B means it's nothing that mu minus B. So what is mu minus B means? Only in mu but not in B. Mu minus A means only in mu but not in A. Mu is nothing that universal set, right? If they ask to find complement of set C means what? Mu minus C. So what does it mean? Only in mu, that means only in the universal set but not in C. So let us take an example here to understand, right? For example, mu is equals to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, right? Now set A equals to, let set A equals to 2, 4, 3, 5, right? And set B equals to 1, 3, 5, 7. Now the question is A complement. How do we find A complement? A complement is nothing that mu minus A, right? Mu minus A. Then what does this mean? Only in the universal set but not in A. Only in the universal set but not in A. It means we have to take the elements only which are in universal set but not from the A. So A elements are in this. These to be excluded from the universal set. So what are the elements to be excluded? 2, 4, 3, 5 from the universal set. So here I can exclude like 2, 4, 3, 5, except these all to be considered, right? So what is that means? A complement, that is 1, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This is what. If they ask us to find what is a B complement, B complement is nothing that mu minus B, means only in the universal set but not in the set B. So what are the elements here? 1, 3, 5, 7. So these are 1, 3, 5, 7. So 1, 3, 5, 7. Except these elements, other to be taken, right? So that is mu minus B, universal set minus set B, is nothing that only in the universal set. So what are the elements only in the universal set but not in the set B? They are 2, 2, 4, 6, 8, 9, 10. So this is about the complement of a set. Clear? So whatever they ask, if some cases there will be like this. Let me take one more example here. Before you watch the video, subscribe it, click on the bell icon for more notifications. So here another example I would like to take. Let A is equals to 1, 2, 3, 4 and B equals to 3, 5, 7, 9 and C equals to 2, 4, 6, 8. Right? So they ask you to find a complement. In this case, there is no universal set, you feel. But see that already in the before classes we have learned universal set means all the sets are subset to the universal set. All the sets given are subset to universal set. For that, what we do is, so you can frame a universal set 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So according to the given sets, I framed a universal set because universal set is nothing that the given sets should be subset to the universal set. So A is a subset now, B is a subset to this universal set and C is also subset to the universal set. So now I got what is universal set. Now if they ask to find a complement, so what we do is mu minus A. What does it mu minus A? Only in the universal set but not in A. Means A elements are not taken. That means they are excluded from the universal set. It means what you get? 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So children, I hope you all understood. Sometimes they may not give you the universal set and ask to find A complement or B complement something. So you can frame a universal set according to the given sets. So universal set means, already in the previous class we have learned that all the sets should be, the given sets should be the subsets of universal set. That is what, right? So that now B complement means what? It is mu minus B. It means only in universal set but not in B. So what are they? 1, 2, 3 I cannot take because 3 is in the set B. So 4, 6, 8. So these are mu minus B, right? And let us remember few more things in the universal set. That is, what is this symbol? Empty set. So what is the complement of empty set? What is the complement of empty set? Empty set is nothing that mu minus empty set. Empty set, complement of empty set means nothing that, complement of empty set is nothing that mu minus empty set. So means only in universal set but not in empty. It's nothing that what? It's a universal set, right? So this to be remembered. Empty set, complement of empty set is universal set. Then what is a complement of universal set? Complement of universal set is nothing that mu minus mu. So that is null set, right? So complement of empty set is universal set. Complement of for universal set is empty set. Okay. So today we have learned about the complement of a set. I hope you all enjoyed and understood well. If you have any more queries, just give us mail at askagamath@gmail.com. Thank you for listening.